Miss Yvonne Tan. I'm Subject Head Biology in Woodlands Secondary School. The world around us is progressing at a remarkably fast pace. It is very exciting, but at the same time, it brings about new challenges and problems that we may not have expected. If you are not intimidated by these challenges, if you're excited by these challenges and problems, then you may be interested in STEM. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And the difference between STEM and these subjects alone is that STEM focuses on issues in our community and how we can find ways to solve these issues and make life better for others around us. So in the quiz, if you have selected options indicating that you are interested to explore more about these problems, you are not afraid to explore different options to find the best possible solution, even though it may mean trying over and over again, then you may be interested in STEM. And if you are interested in STEM, check out our other videos available. Thank you.